12, x plus 2 times x minus 5 times x plus 9 equals 0. What is a positive solution to the given equation? If you would like to put this into your graphing calculator to see what you get, that's valid. You can do that. I don't recommend it. I think it's taken too much time. Honestly, I think you can just look at this and you can get your answer a lot quicker. So anytime we have something that is factored, and whether that is, it could be something as simple as like x plus 1 times x minus 2, something that kind of level, and it's equal to 0. When we factor something, we always want it to be equal to 0 in order to solve for x. We know that one of these two things that are being multiplied together, if it's going to equal 0, one of them has to be 0. We don't know which one, but we solve for each one separately, and then that's how we solve for x. This principle, which you've seen in factoring, does not change if there are more binomials. I mean, we can keep adding binomials till the cows come home. It is going to be the same principle. Each one of these, we have to consider that any one of these could be equal to 0. And so we set each of them equal to 0, and then we have our answer for what x might be. Now, anytime you have one of these, especially if it's just an x plus or minus, not necessarily one with a coefficient, a constant in front of the x, if you do this enough, you start to realize, you go, okay, if it's like this, my answer is the opposite of it. What do I mean by that? So like if this is equal to 0, x minus 2 equals 0, I add 2 to both sides to solve for x. X is positive 2. It's the opposite of that. Here's the same thing, x plus 1. If x plus 1 equals 0, and I want to solve, so I need to subtract 1 from both sides, I get x equals negative 1, the opposite of positive 1. And then our other one there, x plus 9 equals 0. There, we subtract 9 from both sides, x equals negative 9, the opposite of positive 9. And again, when there's no number in front of the x, that trend is going to always be the case when we're doing this. So if we factor a lot, and we've done a lot of the factoring, which you should be doing a lot of factoring if you're practicing for the SAT, I'm just saying, they always love factoring. They love, love, love to throw it in there. And so if I'm looking at these, and I've done that, I've practiced my factoring, I go, wait a minute, it's the same thing, even though it's 3 binomials instead of 2, like most factoring is. But it's going to be the same principle. One of these has to be equal to 0. And I've done a lot of factoring, so I know it's always going to be the opposite when x is just a single x. So the solution for this one will be negative 2. Solution for this one will be positive 5. And the solution for this one will be negative 9. And we only have one positive solution, that's 5. So when I look at my options over here, it says what is a positive solution? 5 is the only one. That's it. I'm really quite surprised that they didn't put positive 2 or positive 9, trying to throw people off as one of those answer choices, but they didn't. That's unusual. Usually they try to be more tricky than that and try to deceive the students and throw them off the scent. But they didn't this time, and so yeah, our answer here, positive solution, is C5. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.